Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Don't do the same mistake again and again. I'm seeing there are some subscribers, they are submitting the fake certificate and they identified and got terminated from the previous company. The new companies also, they are submitting the same fake company, they are doing the same mistake again, and again in the new company also they will do the background verification. Without verification, no one fix you in the industry right now, because there are too many people going in wrong direction. There are too many platform available, especially fake consultancies, institute are providing documents, even proxy also available now. So that every organization doing the verification in ground level. Okay, they are doing the verification strictly. Okay, and there are a lot of free platform available in web, so that they can able to identify whatever your submitted documents. They can easily track and check it quickly in front of system. Okay, and many of followers doing the same mistake again and again. For example, they are submitting fake certificate in the previous company and they found it and they have been terminated. They got termination letter. The new companies also, they are doing the same mistake. They are submitting the same fake certificate and they're facing the problem. Okay, don't create complex problem in your career record, because once you create a problem, it is not very easy to rectify it. Okay, and please share this video to your friends if they don't have proper knowledge on verification process. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and always give thumbs up, and please suggest this video to your friends. Take care.